Here's a little bit of help in case you need it working through the intensity lab. So you got your quote of the day, you got your lab sheet. You're going to be collecting data on distance versus intensity. You're going to do it for as many planets as you can. Don't spend too long doing this. Give yourself maybe 15 or 20 minutes max to collect your data. If you don't get all of them, that's fine. Make sure you get at least 5 or 6. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to have a little imaginary spaceship that you're going to fly around the solar system. The inner solar system and then the outer solar system. And what you're going to do is you're going to try and park your spaceship so that the nose of the ship is right at the orbit of the different planets, because we know how far those planets are from the sun. So for instance, right now we're parked right at the orbit of the Earth. So when you're filling in the distance for that one, you would put planet Earth and you'd put the distance off of your planetary reference sheet. Okay, then what you're going to do is once you have stopped your spacecraft, you'll hit this data button. And with that data button, you'll get a screen that looks something like this. You're going to write down the intensity of the sunlight at the spot where you are parked. Now, it's very important that your spaceship is pointed directly at the sun. So you can start out using these rotate commands to get your ship pointed generally in the direction of the sun. And then, when you're in this position, if you're not directly lined up at an angle of 0, hit the left or right button, whatever you need to make sure you're perfectly aligned with the sun. Do not write down your intensity until your ship is pointed with its sensor directly toward the sun. Once you get your data, you hit resume, and then you can use the controls to either move forward or backward or rotate to move to the other orbits for the different planets. When you want to get out of the inner solar system, just back up, and once you get off the screen, it will switch you to the outer solar system. If you need to get back to the inner solar system, just fly toward the sun. Once you get close enough, you'll get the zoomed in position for the inner solar system. Okay, again, all your directions are written down here. When you're done collecting your data, make a graph of intensity versus distance. Again, you need your reference sheet with all your distances on it. You're going to make your graph. You're then going to go through your conclusion. If you have any questions, please pop back into the Google Meet and I will be here to help you. If you don't want to come during class time, come before class, after class, before school, or after school lets out. Just let me know what you need help with and I will be here to provide it for you.